Find the distance between 156 Find the distance between 156 to 183. So, first I'm going to ask you, are we going from a smaller number to a larger number, or from a larger number to a smaller number?
A smaller number to a larger number.
We're starting at a smaller number. Is the hundredths place the same?
Yeah.
Can I ignore it? Someone break this number down for me. TJ.
50.
And?
6.
Okay. Someone break this number down for me. Lauren.
80.
Okay. So I want to get from 56 to 83. Let's find the distance. Let's find the distance from 56 to 83. Cam.
33.
Very close.
34.
Juliet.
34.
Wait a second, let me do it. Don't guess. Don't guess. Peyton. Should we do it together?
No, I got it.
People are guessing, I think.
I'm not guessing. Me either. 32.
So some people are guessing. TJ.
39.
Okay, so we're going to do it together.
I
It's
knew
okay.
it.
It's okay.
I knew it.
So if I'm starting at 56, counting by tens is easy for us, right? So I want to get to my next closest 10, and I'm going up. So what's the next closest 10 from 56?
60.
60. How many do I need to add to 56 to get to 60?
All 56.
Mm-hmm.
56.
How many? What's the difference between 10 and 6? Or 6 and 10?
16.
6 and 10. What's the difference between the two numbers? Do we add
6
or
plus
subtract?
what equals 10?
6.
Plus what equals 10?
6. What?
6 plus what equals 10?
4.
Yep. So I just added 4, and now I'm at 60. What number do I have to get to?
83.
And now we can count up by 10. So let's count up by 10s. We're at 60, 70, 80. So we got to 80. How many 10s did we add? Cam, how many did we add?
20.
10s. Do we want to get to 80 or do we want to get to a different number? Reese,
A different number.
what number do we want to get to?
83.
So I have to add how many more? How many more do I have to add, Cam?
20.
How many more do I have to get from 80 to 83?
3.
Yep. So what's 10 plus 10? 1, 2, 3.
20. It's 3.
What's 4 plus 3? 1, 2, 3.
7. 27.
What's 20 and 7?
27.
So how we all just figure that out with
I thought
multiple steps?
I thought it was 30.
Multiple
I'm going to
steps.
step in 1 second because I think it's a perfect opportunity to mention something that we've been talking about that people have seen on some of our assessments, but yet they haven't seen it. So when Miss McDonald was saying, she was saying, whoa.
Oh, sorry. It's really like that. Oh, it's all numbers anymore.
So when Miss McDonald was saying, and she was saying 60 and another 3, we could also write it expanded notation. And we could say what?
And what's notation?
Expanded notation
60
is
plus
60 plus 3. Expanded, let me watch. Expand it. Self-check. Expanded looks like this. When they ask for it on a test, you know what the word looks like. Don't say I don't know what to do because this is what it looks like, okay? So expanded. This is the same thing, 60 plus 3. And you're going to be talking more about it too. Oh my.
All right, last one. 83 to 108.
We're going up.
83 to 108. Thank you, TJ. We are going up.
Smaller to larger.
So, let's do it together. I'm going to give everybody 5 seconds to think, and then I'm going to ask us to say it out loud. Okay? 83, I'm looking for the next closest 10. And I'm going up. So what's the next closest 10 from 80? 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3.
90.
How many do I need to add to 83 to get to 90? 5 seconds to think. 83 plus what equals 90? So 3 plus what equals 10?
7.
1, 2, 3.
7.
So I added 7, and now I'm at 90. Now I need to get to what? 100. So we need to count up by 10. So 90,
1.
there we go, 100. So we just added 110. We added a 10, and now we're at 100. And now we want to get to what number?
8.
So what do we have to add? 5 seconds to think. We're at 100. We want to get to 108. 1, 2, 3.
8.
So 10 plus 7 is what? 5 seconds to think. Matthew, join us. 10 plus 7 is what? 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3.
17.
8 more. 5 seconds to think. Use your hands. Being done. 17 plus 8. 17 plus 8. 1, 2, 3.
25. 24. 25.
25.
What's 8 plus
7. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 8 there. I added 8. 25. Good job. Moving on. We are going to talk about AM and PM. And we've done that a little bit already. So I want someone to raise their hand when they think they know which goes where. AM or PM. But then I'm going to ask you what it means. Okay. Laura. Susie starts school at 9 a.m. she says. And goes to bed at 9 p.m. So, what does AM mean? Lauren. It means in the morning. It does. What time does AM start? Does anybody, stop. Does anybody know what time AM stops and when it changes to PM? Matthew.
At
12 midnight?
12 during the day.
We call that noon, right? At noon, it changes to PM. Yeah? Cool. Guess what? I don't know what AM or PM stands for. This could be a cool time to look it up. Guys want to look up and see what it stands for?
Tell me what it means, but I can't remember.
I can't remember either. I think I
PM
used to
means
know.
at night.
But it stands for something. It's
Yeah.
P period M period.
Oh,
And it stands for
I
something.
think I know what it
And
means.
I don't know what it
I
stands
know what it
for.
stands for. You're looking at Ruth?
I was looking for a present for my sister-in-law.
Oh.
What does AM stand for? Let's look it up on Google. It means, oh my goodness, anti-meridian.
Yep, she told me.
It is not always clear what times 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. donate. From the Latin word meridius, which means midday, and ante means before, and post. So PM stands for post meridium. That means after midday. Meridium, that's the M, means midday.
What's AM stand for?
AM stands for ante-meridium, which means before. Before midday and after midday. And that's how we can remember when it changes from AM to PM at midday, at noon. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We all just learned something. Even I learned something today. Teachers learned too. Pretty cool. Okay. 24-hour timeline. This is every single hour in the day. Because remember, we already talked that there's 24 hours in a day. Okay, so let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ooh,
1, 2, 3. That starts afternoon.
is this AM or PM?
AM.
Miss Evelyn, can you tell me why it's AM?
Because after midnight at 12 o'clock, it starts at 1, and then that starts the morning.
And do you remember what AM stands for?
Oh, noon.
What's the M stand for?
Meridian.
And what does that word mean? Do you remember?
It means
Midday. So at midday it changes. So let's count the rest of the. What hour is it right now? Oh, what is that? That better be Play-Doh.
That's Play-Doh, yep.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
I did this wrong. 12 should start here. 12 a.m. and then
12.
this starting at 12 because remember if it's 12 p.m. that's noon. If it's 12 a.m. it's in the morning. Post midday, right? Post after. Post midday. Draw a picture to show us something that usually happens at each time below.
I don't understand.
I'm gonna tell you. Question, please. Can you go on just a couple minutes? I'm almost done. Draw a picture, something that happens. Draw a picture of something that happens at 8 a.m. So at 8 a.m. do you go to bed?
No.
Are you awake usually at 8 a.m.?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because it's the morning. So don't draw yourself in your bed because you don't go to bed there. 8 p.m. What happens at 8 p.m.?
You go to bed.
I'm sleeping.
I go to
Yeah.
bed at 8:30.
Draw something that happens at 11 a.m. Morning or night?
Morning.
And 11 p.m.
Ooh, night.
You should all be sleeping then. I'm sleeping. It's past my bedtime.
Sometimes I go to
Math boxes. Remember one for lesson 4-3. So you need to do the math boxes. Say 4-3 on them. Okay. And then afterwards, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna do this problem solver. And when we're done with the problem solver, you can, okay, so when you're done with your journal pages, you can either do the problem solver or you can turn it off now, Brooke. You can turn it off now.